The jury's been selected and they've already heard opening statements in the homicide trial of a former Milwaukee police officer. Bill Miston live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse with what they've heard already and what they're going to be charged with doing. Bill?
Hey there, Ted. Nine women and 5 men were selected for that jury today. Michael Mattioli is charged with first-degree reckless homicide in the April 2020 death of Joel Acevedo. Prosecutors say Acevedo died at the hands of the off-duty police officer. But Mattioli's defense says while this is a tragic case, there wasn't a crime.
What causes that? Was it a tragic?
The state says it was a crime. The defense says otherwise.
This is a sad case, a tragic case. But it's not a crime. It was not a crime. It is not a crime.
That will soon be up for a jury to decide. More than 3 years after police were called to Michael Mattioli's Southside home, the homicide trial against him is moving forward.
What caused the death of Joel Acevedo?
Prosecutors say the jury will hear evidence that after a night of drinking at Mattioli's house with friends, there was a fight that morning. Mattioli said he found Acevedo going through his pockets, and by the time officers showed up, Mattioli was straddling Acevedo. He was pulseless, not breathing, and died 6 days later. Acevedo died from a lack of oxygen to his brain, caused by Mattioli's compression of Acevedo's chest.
That in essence, Mr. Acevedo was a ticking medical time bomb.
Mattioli's defense says Acevedo had chronic respiratory conditions and was up all night secretly doing cocaine.
Mr. Acevedo's death was tragic, but it was not a crime. It was, as Mr. Tiffin noted, an accident.
The defense says Mattioli was trying to get a combative Acevedo under control until the cops arrived.
As Mr. Mattioli was focused on getting help there and getting Mr. Acevedo arrested and in custody.
Now, jury selection took most of the day, and the jurors were excused for the day after opening statements late this afternoon. Witness testimony will begin in the morning, and the trial is expected to last through the week. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Bill Miston, Fox 6 News.
Bill, thank you.